Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook notification if not working. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's go to the setting of your mobile. Tap on that gear and here we go. Scroll down and search for the notification. Now tap on app notification, search for the app, and here you can see my Facebook app. Here you can see all of my Facebook notifications are turned off. I can just simply turn on that notifications. Now you can see I will be able to get all of the notification of my Facebook account. So this is how you can easily fix your Facebook notification problem. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.